Hello guys, welcome back to another interesting video. So this is your boy PGH and welcome to my channel. Alright guys, thanks a lot for subscribing to my channel. God bless you a lot. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to and hit the notification bell so that you never miss any update. Alright, so let's quickly jump into our story. So today this story is actually interesting. I'm very shocked, very shocked, and I don't really know if that's the truth. That's the story that I've seen on Ghana web, and I'm very shocked. Really shocked. All right, so let's quickly jump into it. The caption is, "I'm homeless. Help me rent an apartment. Shatta Wale's mother begs Ghanaians." Wow. Like seriously? This is serious. Alright. Mother of multiple award-winning dancehall artist Shatta Wale, Madam L.C. Avemega, better known as Shatta Mama, has appealed to the general public that she needs money to rent an apartment. Wow. Like seriously? Okay. According to Shatta Mama, 2 weeks ago she was evicted from the East Legon apartment Shatta Wale claimed to have bought for her 6 years ago by the landlady. Speaking with hotfmghana.com, the overly dejected mother of the self-acclaimed dancehall king indicated strenuously that she is currently homeless and the only option she has is to appeal to the general public to help her rent a new apartment. So Shatta Wale's mother is saying she has been evicted from the East Legon apartment and now she's begging Ghanaians to help her get a new apartment. Could this be true? I've been bothering about this whole issue. Would it be true that a whole Shatta Wale's mother will be evicted from her apartment and now begging Ghanaians to help her get a new one? Wow, I'm very surprised. Okay, let's continue. Speaking with hotfmghana.com, the overly dejected mother of the self-acclaimed dancehall king indicated strenuously that she is currently homeless and the only option she has is to appeal to the general public to help her rent a new apartment. Yes, I have been evicted from the East Legon apartment Shatta Wale got for me. Almost 2 weeks now and I have nowhere to stay. I'm currently homeless. All attempts to reach Shatta Wale to settle the debts the landlady claims I'm owing have proved unsuccessful, Shatta Mama told hotfmghana.com. A teary Shatta Mama astonishingly added that since my son is not helping me, I will please appeal to the general public to help me rent a new apartment. They can either give me money to rent or can dash me an apartment. I only need a place to call my home. The embarrassment is too much. Oh my gosh. So Ghanaians, we really have to help our mama. You know, Shatta's mama is also our dear mother. Shatta Wale has done a lot for Ghanaians. He has really entertained Ghanaians, and we also have to help her mother. But I'm very surprised reading this story. The moment I saw the caption, I was surprised. Like, I can't believe this. So Ghanaians, what's your take on this story? Leave your comment in the comment box and let's know what you think about this story. All right, I'm out.